This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 4-cell deep 80-pack multicolored seed starting trays. And please forgive me for missing 4 blue ones in here since they are currently in use for my onions. I absolutely love these. I absolutely love these. These are much deeper than a traditional, multi-pack. It's made of good, sturdy material and BPA free. And I love the colors that they come in. And when it comes time for popping out your seedlings, they have these nice little holes on the bottom that you can just pop your finger in. And then that pops out the seedling. And they also have these slits for air pruning, which is a lot happier, makes for happier roots. And they are good for bottom watering as well as top. I bought these due to the fact that when it comes to me uppotting certain seedlings, such as, the tomatoes or peppers, or for doing onion seeds right away, because onion seeds I'm not uppotting, I really enjoy having the deepness in regards to these trays, and the colors are really cute in my opinion. I love the fact that I can purchase such sturdy, heavy-duty seed starting supplies like this, so then that way I'm not having to rely on single-use plastics. And so I feel like I'm investing in my growing future by having such heavy-duty, reusable supplies like this. And these have lasted me several years. And I know that they will last me for several more. And I am so impressed with the quality and durability of these, and I would strongly recommend them as well.